Today, sir, this is our video reaction in the documentary film.
What is the historical basis for the Philippines claim in the West Philippine Sea, and how does it align with the international law? The Philippine bases its claim in the West Philippine Sea on historic rights, as it has been historically fishing, exploring, and exercising jurisdiction over these waters. This aligns with international law, particularly the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, which recognizes historic rights of state in their adjacent water. How have diplomatic effort, including arbitration cases, shaped the Philippines' stance on its territorial claims in the West Philippine Sea?
So, diplomatic efforts, including arbitration case like the Philippines versus China Sea, has bolstered the Philippines' stance in historical claims by asserting its right under international law. Particularly, UNCLOS, the arbitration clause clarified maritime entitlement and affirmed the Philippines' rights in the West Philippine Sea and challenged China's expensive claims. This has reinforced the Philippines' position and garnered international support for upholding the rule of law in the region.
What evidence exists regarding the alleged secret deal between Rodrigo Duterte administration and China, and how does it impact the Philippines' sovereignty in the region? So, evidence of a secret deal between the Duterte administration and China is largely based on statements made by officials and leaked documents, including a supposed memorandum of understanding. While specific details remain undisclosed, there have been reports of agreement related to joint exploration and development in the West Philippine Sea. This impacts the Philippines' sovereignty by potentially compromising its exclusive rights to resources and undermining its legal victory in UNCLOS arbitration case. How have regional tensions, including military activities and resources exploitation, influenced the Philippines' approach to asserting its claims in the West Philippine Sea?
So, regional tension driven by increased military activities and resources implementation have compelled the Philippines to adopt a more assertive approach in asserting its claim in the West Philippine Sea. They include strengthening its military presence in the area, enhancing maritime surveillance and law enforcement. So, capabilities and fostering closer security ties and allies like the United States and Japan. So, additional, the Philippines has pursued military approach within Asia and engaged in diplomatic efforts to reinforcement its claims and promote the peaceful resolution of disputes based on international law, particularly UNCLOS.
What are the implications of the Philippines' engagement with other nations, such as the United States and ASEAN, in addressing disputes and ensuring maritime security in the West Philippine Sea? So the Philippines' engagement with other nations, such as the United States and ASEAN, in addressing disputes and ensuring maritime security in the West Philippine Sea has several implications. 1. Deterrence against aggression. 2. Enhanced maritime security. 3. Legal and diplomatic support. 4. Balancing power dynamics. 5. Economic opportunities. The Philippines' engagement with other nations is crucial for addressing disputes, ensuring maritime security, and promoting stability and cooperation in the West Philippine Sea. How do you think does this documentary affect the maritime industry? How do you think this also affect you as a future seafarer?
So, a documentary highlighting maritime issue in the West Philippine Sea could have several effects on the maritime industry. So, number 1, increase awareness. 2, policy change. And 3, risk assessment. And 4, diplomatic pressure.
As for its impact in future seafarers like us, 1 is heightened awareness. It would make more aware of the geopolitical challenges and risks associated with working in certain maritime regions, including the West Philippine Sea. 2 is preparation. 3. Career choices. for advocacy. It could inspire me to become more involved in advocating for the rights and safety of the seafarers, as well as promoting peaceful resolutions to maritime disputes.